Hi friends, in this video we are showing municipal waste shredders. Avanti make model MS4050. Solid waste shredding and municipal solid waste MSW size reduction requires processing of many different material from filled drums to household waste. And as the amount of solid waste increases and the cost of landfill management increases, it is becoming more critical that waste management become more effective, economic and efficient. Shredded and compacted waste is easier and cheaper to transport and extends the life of the landfill. Municipal waste shredder is available in hopper feeding and suitable for municipal organic waste, coconut cuttings, banana plants, vegetable market wastes, cardboard and rigid plastics. The technical specifications are as follows. Technical specifications: model MS4050. Cutting mechanism: twin shafts. Shred chamber size: 410 x 410 mm. Shred size: 6 to 12 mm width and 50 to 100 mm length. Shred capacity: 250 to 300 kg per hour. Voltage: 415 volts. Power: 7.5 horsepower. Hopper volume: 120 liters. Waste volume: 370 liters. Total machine weight: 520 kg. Machine's dimensions are 2.1 meter height, 1.2 meter width, and 1 meter depth. Overload protector and overheat protector are provided. Noise level is less than 65 decibels. Cutting speed: 15 meters per minute. In this machine, PET bottles, HDPE bottles, plastic cans, aluminum cans, Tetra Pak, thermocol packing, corrugated sheets, cartoon boxes and papers can be shredded.
Thanks for watching Where to Find YouTube channel. Keep watching our channel. Subscribe our channel and click on bell button to get automatic notifications. For supplier information, click on description link.